Yeah, man. Coming in. Coming in, folks. Osler's here. How you doing, brother? Oh, man. How do we do this? What is going on, guys? Look at me. Dude, it's not even Man Bun Monday. It's not even Man Bun Monday, and I have a man bun. Why? Because I sleep like this. It's so my hair doesn't get tangled up and break and stuff. It's a thing. It's a whole thing. But the important thing to know is, why in the world would I not do my hair for the chess stream? Dude, it's Thursday. I love Thursdays. Tournament recap in 3 minutes. Unrated versus you guys. As a matter of fact, I have to go to settings and shut off my challenges right now because the reason I started streaming was to get better at chess and work on chess. And recently, I stopped reviewing my games on Thursdays because more viewers. But you know what? You need to learn chess. I need to learn chess. And so I'm looking at my games from the tournament yesterday. Some of you guys might have played me. Oslo is here in chat right now, looking like Buddha. Thank you. That's the nicest thing anyone said to me all day. I've had one human contact earlier with Bill Stevens, great supporter of the stream. Dude, I had a breakthrough. I had a weird breakthrough with my guitar playing. Okay, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a musical breakthrough. I'm not going to get technical. Music. I almost was like, just skip the chess stream and just do a guitar stream. My name's Charlie. I play guitar. I play chess. You've heard this. For 5 years, you've heard this. But, yeah, something opened up, man. Something opened up on the neck. On the neck, something opened up. And I'm mind blown right now. Mind blown. I almost was late coming to the stream because I was playing guitar. I was playing guitar. And I wanted to keep playing guitar. And I'm like, I have to set the stream up. It takes a while, guys. Man, back in the day, I could set a Facebook, one stream on Facebook. I'd set that up in 2 seconds. I could literally come 5 minutes before stream, go bing, 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 and hit live and go. Now, multiple streams, larger, bigger, more platforms. The community is growing like weeds. Now, I start setting up my stream 1 hour before I go live. For the chess stream and the gaming stream. To set it up right. Little things like this, folks. Little things like this. It's just become a thing. And I'm like, but I want to play guitar. I want to play guitar right now. I'm just playing guitar. I was sitting there playing guitar while I was supposed to be getting ready for the chess stream. And I'm like, how can I get more time before 3 o'clock without being late? Guys, you can't be late. Try not to be late, right? For work. People care. Dude, you know how many people at 3 o'clock, they're like, oh, the chess stream. And if they come and I'm not live, they'll be like, huh, I guess Charlie's not streaming today. Dude, I bought like 10 minutes, bro. I bought 10 minutes of guitar playing time. I skipped food. I did. You know, imagine being so passionate about something that you would rather do that than eat. That's what I did. Now, I'm not gonna lie. I ate a piece of bread. You know, like when you're 10 years old and you're hungry and you don't want to make food, or you know it's not dinner time, and you just take a piece of bread and eat it so you're not hungry. Yeah. I ate it. I didn't put butter on it or anything. I just ate a piece of bread. And then I bought like 10 more minutes because I didn't have to make breakfast. I didn't have to make eggs. Man. Yeah. So I don't know if you guys can tell I'm a little bit pumped. I could just eat, right? Yeah, no, Osler is right, man. I could just I've done that before too. Okay, good. It's time to go live here. I could do that too, and I've done it before. I've set the camera up and made my food while I was live, talked to the stream. Little cooking stream, if you will. Yeah, you know, not very good at it. I guess I would get better at it if I did it all the time. But yeah, no. My name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess, I play Elden Ring and other games after dark. That's who I am. I am not Charlie the cooking guy. That would have been a move though. Just like Magnus eating noodles. Yeah, well, another thing too, Osler, is I used to eat streamer food. I would buy whole bunch of those little cheap dollar store frozen meals. Salisbury steak. I would get the better one, little bigger, little better lasagna. Stouffer's lasagna, frozen lasagna. We talked about this. And ramen. Oh my god, I would buy ramen like for days. And just quick food, right? Dude, it's so junky. The minute I started buying actual chicken and cooking it in the oven, frozen spinach, chicken with spinach on the side, is so much more healthy. So much more healthy. And is it cheaper? It's probably cheaper. Yeah, it's probably cheaper. But it's just so much more healthy. But it takes time. It takes time. But hey, you want to make a change. If you want to make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and make a change. Charly Sardo 2026. I just made that up. All right. This is my first game from the tournament. Mr. I Have a Problem. He was in chat. I forgot his name. If you're here, tell me. We're going to look at your game right now, brother. Okay? I had one brilliant move. I played 78% accuracy. He played 73. He actually played really, really good. What's his freaking rating, bro? How come it doesn't say it on the review? It says my name and it says his name, but it doesn't say that there's no rating. Let's see. I played like a 1600. He played like a 750. Start the review. Let's see what Magnus Carlsen has to say about my chess abilities.
Good stuff. It's a textbook way to grab the center and you're opening up your pieces. Let's see.
Again, chess.com, do better. That's dumb. That's just air. It's just noise. Magnus should say nothing there. He should make an overall comment about the game, like when they say you saw a tactic in the middle game and took advantage. And even though you played a really bad end game, there's room to improve. There we go. There we go. That's more what that should say. Chess.com, hire me. They need me, folks. E4, E5, I play Bishop C4, knight Bishop C5. I think the move here can be C3, Knight F3. Yeah, Knight F3 is Stockfish's move. Let me go into the opening Explorer database. Number one move, Knight F3. That's what I played. I'm a Grandmaster. Knight C6 and C3 is not even... Oh, Stockfish is starting to like C3 now. C3 is the number one move in the Master database. Second favorite move by Stockfish. Okay, what do I tell you guys? If you can castle, it's probably the best move. So I castle. In this position, Stockfish wants D4, and the Master database wants D4 or D3, and castling is third best. Why? Why? Just castles. Just castles, guys. You can't lose if you cast. Well, you can lose, but you're not going to lose too fast if you castle. G5. Is it? No, G5 loses. Okay, Mr. I Have a Problem. My advice to you, because you had problems. Not F6, dude. Guys, if you're rated under anything, dude, I don't care if you're 1600. The knights go here. If there's a reason, and you know the reason, then you can play knight e7. But there has to be a reason. The reasons in chess to play a move like knight e7, because you studied the opening, and you even the cheapest, dumbest, legitimate excuse to play knight e7 is if you memorized it. Even if you don't know the ideas behind it, if you memorized it, at least you know Magnus Carlsen in this position plays knight e7. If you know that, then it's okay to play it. It's okay to copy Grandmasters. It's better if you know why you're playing knight e7. But your knight does not go on e7. What does it do? It blocks the queen. It only touches one central square. Why would you do that? Why would you not play knight f6 and touch two central squares and not be cramped and not... yeah, it's just a bad move. So just understand. Mr. I Have a Problem. Your knights go on these two squares unless you know it goes to d7 or e7 or d2 or e2 for a specific reason. For instance, I'm playing c3. I might end up playing... on knight f6, I play d3. And then my knight comes here. It's the Italian game. Fabiano Caruana versus Magnus Carlsen is this game right here. Yeah. Yeah. You could have played exactly like Magnus if you would have just put your knight on the right square. Trying to help you, brother. Knight e7. Not best. Okay, Stockfish wants knight g5, and another thing about this move. This knight on f6, it doesn't just control the center. It right now at the beginning of the game, the weakest square is these two squares. That's where your checkmates happen, the scholar's mate and stuff, right? After you castle, it's these two squares. Look at what's my knight doing? Protecting it. What's your knight doing? Not protecting it. It also cuts the queen off, and so now Stockfish wants his crazy move knight g5. Probably then, because of castles, I'm threatening checkmate. And you have to start weakening your king. Oh, and I got the square. You're losing. It's losing. It's losing. Knight g5. I could have played knight g5. I didn't see it. Wow. Wow. That's how bad this move is, dude. I just told you it was bad, and I told you my reasons, and then we just got Stockfish's reasons. Charlie, my opponents just pinned my knight with bishop g4, then h3, bishop h5. This pin is so annoying. Is this your game, Osler? Is this your game, Osler? Is this you? Are you Mr. I have a problem? Okay, not you, not you. Okay, no, and you know what? Okay, I did think about this too. I did honestly think about this. Daniel Abbott, how you doing, dude? You were in the moment, bro. Dude, good to see you, Daniel Abbott. Welcome back. Welcome, 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 guys. Welcome to the stream. We are talking chess. I am so pumped up and excited about music, but I love chess. And I'm just having a day today. I'm having a day, guys. I'm feeling really good. So Osler said on knight f6, maybe my opponent was worried about something. Well, this pawn is loose, right? So let's just say here, let's do it this way. Okay. He's worried about this, and it's so annoying. Some things in life are annoying, right? That guy at work, you can't fire him. You're not the boss. It's a good job. You got to feed your kids. You got to go to work, and you got to deal with that annoying man or person, right? Yeah. Well, you wanted an active bishop. That's annoying to me. This bishop could be on e7, and it wouldn't be so annoying now, would it? The Grandmaster said, if you want to get squares, you got to give squares. This is a perfect example. You want this active bishop? Well, then you might get pinned. It's not the end of the world. It's not the end of the world, but the knight does not go to e7 for that. That's not worth it. Rhodes, how you doing, brother? Taper Mike, what's up, dude? Welcome back. Oh, black pin's a knight. Oh, yeah, no, black pin's on f3. It's no big deal. This is a if he takes now, there's nothing bad. I can play d3 and knight bd2. Unpinning. Oh, well, at least protecting it, and then I can move my queen. Unpinning. It's an Italian game. You know, if you have a specific opening, Osler, I think you're a strong player, aren't you, Osler? If you have a specific opening that this happens to you in, look at the Grandmaster database and see what the Grandmasters do. Some people would play h3 because they can't take it. The pin is so bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. I'll tell you something else too. Like if d3 here, this is really not good. You know why? Because of this. Comes back. I'm not castled yet. I'm not weakening my king. Now I have space. Now I have space. Now I have space on the king side. You know what I'm saying? That's a real thing. That's a real. I'm not saying every time do that, but I'm telling you that it's a real thing. So, okay, yeah. So in this position, Hans Niemann versus Fabiano Caruana. The number one move is knight f6, but we have knight e7 now. There's only 2 games in the master database. And we got to rely on Stockfish now. And Stockfish will tell us that knight g5 was best. I didn't even see it. That's okay, though. b4 is good, taking space. a4 is good, taking space. He sees that I'm going to trap his bishop. b5 is good. It's a blue move, guys. I got a blue move. Knight b8, best move. Back to the pregame lobby where you belong. You play h3, weak move. Hello, sir. Can I challenge you? J-Rald, yeah, I'm going to look at some chess games first, and then we are going to take challenges. Rhodes, how you doing, dude? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you, man. So, queen b3 is dumb. It still wants its knight g5 idea, all because of the knight e7. This would not be available. And then, like, this is the best reply, but rook f8 is the second best move. That's how bad this position is. That's how bad it is. If on knight g5, I didn't see it. I'll keep that in mind though. Rhodes says he's doing good. Thanks. Toasty Cheese It, how you doing, dude? Okay, this is a blunder. Oh, yeah, because and I told him this in the game, I don't know if he was listening. Every time your opponent makes a move, you have to say, what does he threaten? Queen b3, what does it threaten? Oh my god, the f7 square is under attack, folks. Castling defends it. Yeah. He didn't see it. He pushed a pawn probably because his knight got sent back to the pregame lobby where it belongs. And he's trying to get his knight out or something. I don't know. But again, he's lower rated player and that's fine. But I get this. Now we'll see if there's a mate here I didn't see. King f8 was best. And then I think I was completely crushing him. And I blew it. I played some bad moves. You already sent your friend request, bro. Please accept. I will, J-Rald. I will. Okay, d4 is the best move. Why? Well, we're ahead in development. Our king is safe. We want to open up the board and bring pieces and rooks, right? Open the center. Exactly, Osler. Yeah, d4. I'm going to say this is a great move. If you're a lower rated player, this is a great move. Why? It develops something. Bishop here, is that even a move? Because it doesn't really pin anything. But this is another move if you're a low rated player. Bring pieces out. Get your pieces into the game, guys. Get your pieces into the game. He plays knight bd7. I was looking at knight g5 so bad. The problem with knight g5 is what, like knight f6. Takes. And he can't take back. This is just better. It's better because his king's in trouble, right? Break the center. Okay, I just want to see if there's something I missed. Bishop h6 was best. Knight g5 is brilliant. It's brilliant because it leaves a bishop hanging, I guess, right? He plays the best move, and I trap his queen, and that was not best. Wow. Wow. Yeah, because of the move he played. Okay, just save the piece. I'm still winning. The win doesn't go away. Why must I go? It's like, no. You can play a waiting move and to save a piece. He's not going to... I mean, anything he takes is just going to get him into more trouble. And I am, again, threatening to win his queen. Look at this move. I attack his queen. It has no squares. It can only come to the squares I can take. Yeah. Bad move. Okay. That's a great move. He counterattacked my queen. But I take. He takes. I take. He takes. And And what happened? I was ahead in development. He has 2 pieces developed. I have a queen and a bishop, and I'm castled. I'm still technically ahead, but this developed piece got traded for this one. This clogged up piece. What's the word? Cramped. This cramped position. Look at how cramped he is. This was 96 was dumb. 96 was dumb. It wasn't dumb. It was ignorant. So this is what happened. And now, yeah, you say, how do you find that stockfish move? Develop your pieces, guys. I take it here to continue the opening process. This is actually a good move, and I literally think taking is best. It's not. I had C4. Oh! I thought I couldn't play C4 because my knight was hanging, but it's not, because bishops move backwards, folks. Wow. Oh my god. In the game, I wanted to play C4 so bad, but my knight was hanging. It wasn't hanging. Wasn't that a great move by Black Osler? Yeah, no, he saved himself. The power of development, J-Rald, for sure. Would you swallow a lemon for 20 bucks? A lemon drop candy. I'd do that for 10. I don't think I could swallow a lemon for 20 bucks. I don't know if I'd get a lemon in my mouth for 20 bucks. So the answer to that question is no. I wouldn't even try. I wouldn't try. Yeah, no, I wouldn't try that for $1,000. That's like suicide. That's like a bad idea. Yeah, you could, no. This is not a circus. This is not a circus act. That's a bad move. Yeah, I should have probably taken, because I just give this pawn for nothing, man. BC6, Knight C4, defending our great world champion. Takes, and white is winning. But I thought I had to trade queens because I thought my knight was hanging. That was horrible. This is why we look at the games. Go into the store. I'll be back. Daniel, bring me back a lemon. The smallest lemon you can find. Okay? Daniel's going to get a lemon, J-Rald. It wasn't J-Rald. It was Marcos. Now, Marcos Gutierrez comes in. First thing he says is, would you swallow a lemon for 20 bucks? The guy, he's getting involved. He started a conversation with me. I love that. That's the same thing some people do, but they come in and say something rude or stupid. And they get kind of the same result, but they get banned. Love it. Marcus Gutierrez. You're in, brother. That's disrespectful. Hey, Retro Gaming, how you doing? What kind of retro gaming? What are we talking about here? We're talking about the Atari VCS. This is a bad move? C5 is bad. I'm still supposed to take. Okay. That's dumb. It wants knight C4. That's my pawn. I'm winning that pawn. He cannot save that pawn. So improve the knight. And then take the pawn. I took it. Things are getting traded off. Okay. And now we have an opposite colored bishop's endgame. This position is zeros. Is draw. You play chess too, do you? Well, chess is probably the ultimate retro game, if you think about it. Right? But like retro gaming, are we talking about the Atari VCS? We're talking about Pong. I mean, Nintendo, Super Mario, is it that kind of stuff? That's a miss. You should play knight C7, okay. And what happened here? He dropped a piece. Yeah, he dropped a piece. And he had 5 minutes on his clock. Here's another thing. Why does it not say the guy's rating? It doesn't say his rating anywhere on the screen. Why? Why? Why is there no rating? He's considerably lower rated than me. I think he was around 1,000. And he has 5 minutes and 59 seconds on it. He has 6 minutes on his clock, and I have 1 minute. Why did the 1700 player need to use all that time? If I'm so smart and I'm so good at chess, it's why I'm 1700. Because I there's a lot to see here. You should be losing on time, Mr. I have a problem. I would rather you lose on time than have 6 minutes to my 1 minute. You know what I'm saying? If I'm playing Magnus, I'm losing on time. I'm not using my I'm going to try as hard as I can. That takes time. Yeah. Kind of play about like 1,000. Yeah. And I'm trying to give him some really, really valuable advice by saying you need to slow down. Now, this is a name I came up with when you were in middle school. You wanted to make Call of Duty content, but I never bothered to change the name. Oh, Retro Gaming, love it, dude. Think chess is my favorite game right now, though. Dude, chess is freaking awesome. Daniel, you back from the store yet? Did you get my lemon? Okay, so from here, we don't need to see anymore. I'm up a piece. We trade. And then... Oh, yeah, this is the game where I didn't want to give him anything. I want to win all his pawns and never give him anything. Right here? I ain't even trading. Everything wins. See right here? I can push this pawn to make a queen. He can't stop it. No. Give nothing. Give nothing. Isn't that funny? That's Stockfish best move. How is pushing the pawn not faster? But this doesn't give him a pawn. And this doesn't give him a pawn. Stockfish loves it. Now we run the pawn. Save the bishop. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. Hey, make a queen. Right. Okay, guys. I'm going to show you my technique here. Okay? I have 2 minutes on the clock. First things first. Take his pawn so I can't lose on time. Then you see the queen is looking at the king in the way of a knight check, right? Play the knight check. Knight check. That's what I played. Guaranteed. Yeah, I know because I know what I do. Play the knight check. Play the knight check. Where is it? It's right here. See the knight check? Play the knight check. Play the knight check. You can do this. I can make somebody in 10 seconds. Because once you get him in the corner, then you can pre-move the king to this square while he goes back and forth, and then you made him. And I did. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's how you mate with a queen and a king. I think I actually used the bishop, didn't I? No, I didn't. The bishop can get in the way. That's why I just left the bishop here. Leave the bishop. Technically, Stockfish would probably use the bishop and mate a couple moves faster. I looked it up. He's 1,042. Rhodes, thank you. I know this technique. Good to see someone else also uses it. Yeah, Osler, I'll tell you this. FIDE Master David Bassett, great supporter of the stream and real-life friend of mine. I was streaming, and I was mating like this with the queen. And I said to FIDE Master, he's a chess teacher as well. I said, this is how I mate with the queen. Is this the right way? And he said, yeah. I was like, oh, okay. I knew it worked. But I didn't know. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So that's, you're doing it right, Osler. We are approved by FIDE Master David Bassett. Yeah, leave the bishop to avoid a stalemate. Exactly. That's exactly right. Demercio, hey, Charlie, it's been a hot minute. Demercio, dude, I've been great. I'm having a great day. I literally had a musical breakthrough. You know what I'm going to do when the chess stream's done? Play guitar. I want to do it. I literally have a free online audio looper up right now, guys. Because I'll probably just pull up some jam tracks on YouTube, but I can't do that here because if I play them, then bad things happen. Okay, I'm gonna go through the next game a little faster, and then I'm gonna open up challenges to play you guys, okay? Because that's what we do on Thursdays. But I have to look at some of my games, guys. We got to get better at chess. That was so instructive, that game. Instead of last queen move before moving your queen, why not queen d7? Instead of the last queen move, why not queen d7? Guys, there's some things that are not important in life. But you know what's important? My friend Buck Wild. Buck Wild is a good chess player, great supporter of the stream, and he has a question. And so it's worth going back. He said the last queen move, that was this queen move. The last queen move, why not? Okay, queen, yeah, queen d7 just lets his king out. And moving my king, he is trapped. But my queen, yeah, no, I actually didn't need to do this. Actually, technically, because his king is trapped, right? It can't go anywhere. And I can move my... No, I might not be able to get my king to the square if his king is here. I just know when I do this, he has 2 squares. It's the ultimate cut him off. And now I can pre-move my king to the square. Technically, let's look. Yeah, now he actually only has 2 squares as well. See what I'm saying? Stalemate. If he was here at the time... Wait, if he was here at the time, so if I wasted a move... Wait. No, I can't. I can't. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So, no, that was a good question because oh, well, man, I just shut my my chess.com down. Let me get that back up, guys. Breaking news. Chess streamer doesn't know how to use a simple chess.com browser. Mister, I have a problem. Thank you for the game. Good game. I hope it wasn't too hard on you guys. Magni Rod. Magni Rod is up next. We're looking at his game, folks. Game review. This guy is rated 900. He must have won his first round. Maybe because you're streaming on chess.com, it doesn't show ratings. Like, did I click a button? Testing. It's showing ratings now. It's a developmental scenario, folks. That's a move, guys. He saw it. Now he's up a piece, so he wants to trade. Okay. He wants this file, guys. It's not gonna be a good thing. Here. Dark squares. Dark squares! We're coming at him, guys, with the dark... Oh, that's a good move. God, I want it so bad. Dude, he got me on time. Huh. Okay. I literally just played that game to see if it would show ratings. Yet in analysis, and it shows the ratings here. We're gonna look at the Magnarod game, and then I come here. There's no ratings. Okay, let me see if there's a cogwheel here. We got a thing. Settings, pieces, wood, play, analysis, chess engine, no, board. Like, did it get shut off to show opponent's theme? Showcase opponent theme. I don't know what that means. Play, incoming rating, allow challenges, requests only, allow user focus mode, auto watch game, automatic analysis. Why is chess.com not showing my opponent's rating? Wait, it is now. They fixed it. Did you get the lemon? Here at the store, got the lemon. What dish are we making? I have a $20 challenge to swallow the lemon, so get the smallest one. Daniel Abbott is at the store. Get the smallest one. You haven't played in a while, retro gaming? Get back into it, dude. We're here, brother. I stream Monday through Thursday at 3 p.m. What's your favorite guitar scale? Well, I actually have a new one today. I don't know a lot of scales. I know more ideas than scales. I know a major scale. I know a minor scale. I know a minor pentatonic scale. I don't know the major pentatonic scale, but I guarantee I could show you all the notes. And I know a harmonic minor scale. Those are all the scales I know. I don't know modes. I don't know Mixolydian and Dorian. There's all kinds of stuff, guys, about guitar I don't know. Yeah. And favorite, I don't have a favorite scale. Scales, Barney Kessel said they're like a means to an end. Scales are something that you need to learn, and you should learn, and they're good to practice. But you don't want to think in scales while you play, because then you'll sound like everybody else, and you'll sound like a scale instead of a person. You're my dad today. You're welcome. Dragon Bloodsword, how have you been, my brother? I love to see you. I saw you yesterday, right? 2 days in a row. But you've been gone. You've been gone for a minute. Tell me life is good, son. Invite me, sir. 5 minutes. No, J-Rod, we play 3 minutes. What are we doing today, Dad? I am looking at some of my games from the tournament yesterday, and I am going to be playing viewers in just a few minutes. 3-minute chess. Okay, I played 86% accuracy. Not horrible. My opponent played 77. The ratings are gone. So when you go to game review, the ratings are gone. You see that, Rhodes? If I come down here and click on the game, Magnarod game, click on the game, the ratings are there. So don't do... The problem is, I'm on analysis. Oh, I can do openings here. Okay. We got the ratings, but yeah. He played F4. Now, Magnarod, are you here? Are you in chat? Because I have a question. Hey, Tamara, welcome back. Get him. Guys, I buy fruit and I have a basil plant. I'm not infested, but every once in a while there's a gnat or like a little fruit fly. Yeah. I think I have some banana peels in the trash can. I need to empty that. This guy played a bird. This guy totally gave me the bird. This is probably the most common move. F4, everyone plays D5. I play this move to sack a pawn. And the idea is trying to get here. Because he weakened his king early. And there's no idea. There's no idea. Okay, so we're out of the book. This is called Fromm's Gambit. Fromm's Gambit, guys. This is a gambit. I've heard of Fromm's Gambit, but I didn't know this is the Fromm's Gambit. But this is the Fromm's Gambit. Against F4, you play E5 takes and D6. And you develop. But can you not see that the analysis is weird? I can't even... Analysis. Okay, we know he's 995. I'm going to the game review, guys. It's so weird that once you do the game review, not only does the rating go away, but it's just better. It's just better. Okay, now because we can go to Explore, and I have analysis. There we go. Okay, anything exciting happen this game? Is there like a show best move or something? Suggestion arrow. Let's try that. There's no suggestion arrow. Okay, yeah, I'm putting some pressure. We got some pressure here, guys. He's got, oh man, the queen is still pinned, folks. I played this move. Dude, I didn't know what to do. And I wanted to improve my position. Look at my position. This knight is pinned. He can't castle kingside. He might want to go this way. And so I came up with the Stockfish move. The best move in this position according to Stockfish. C6. It also blunts the bishop. And it doesn't let the knight come in. And it prepares B5 if he castles queenside, which if he's going to castle, he has to go queenside. So he goes queenside. First things first. Stockfish, best move, bishop A3. Okay? I'm going to trade the bishop so he has weak dark squares. It's kind of like having weak trees. Honey, I think we have weak trees. Weak trees? Hammer, how you doing? Hey, Electro Falcon, suggestion arrow is best move, I think. You didn't click on the button. I didn't? I know. I'm like, why didn't it work? No, I did. Suggestion arrow, I did click on it. It's the top one. I don't want show threats. It's going to constantly have stuff on the screen. But suggestion arrow. Review. I thought it was going to say show rating. Okay. So, Stockfish best move. What happens when you have opposite side castling, folks? Usually you have attacks. And the attacks are usually pawn storms. Why? Well, because if the white king was over here, castled where it should be, and I want to do a pawn storm, the pawn storm involves my protective cover. That's bad. But if his king's over here, I can push these pawns and attack his king and open up lines and attack his king without weakening my king. Sad thing is he can do the same. So that's why B5 is the Stockfish best move. Knight comes back. It wants knight D5. What a move. Knight D5 is a move. It's a move. And you say, but yeah, what if he takes? What do? You open a file toward his king. That's what you do. Okay. Knight d5, but no, I'm pawn storming. The other... It doesn't like this move. It was like the fifth best move. So now, wow, queen b4. Giving the knight. Did you guys see that? Never mind, then I don't know what is wrong. Yeah, no. I'll tell you something that weird today, Electro Falcons. Every time I go to do a game review and I get to this board here in the game review, the ratings go away. The ratings go away. Why aren't they there? I don't get it. Guys, the bishop's pinned, guys. And you know what's even funnier? If bishop takes bishop, this is checkmate. That is crazy, guys. Queen b4. What a... K-bomba! Okay, takes. And I just said, okay, I'm just going to win a pawn, I guess. And... there we go. So did I win 2 pawns? No, I won a pawn. No, yeah, I won a pawn. I won a pawn, but one, but it's isolated. It's isolated. Oh, and then he gave me another pawn. He's 900, guys. I think I had a much better position. Yeah, he defends. Great move. Yeah, you know what he was trying to do, I think, guys? He's trying to trap my knight. Maybe. Maybe not. I felt like he was trapping my knight. Okay. Win another pawn. There's a trade. Oh, look at that move, guys. I saw this instantly. You guys see it, right? You gotta look at the fork. The knight could be attacking the square right now, and I could come here. I could. I really could. But it's more fun to put his king on the checking square, win another pawn. Now it's 3-2. We don't need to look at this. Okay. I'm going to open up challenges for... And I'm going to take Jay's friend request. Jay Roud, I'm accepting your friend request, but on one condition. Well, I usually give the condition after. Accept it. We are now friends on chess.com. That means we take care of each other and we help each other get better at chess. You got that, Jay? These are the rules. All settings. I'm going to open up, guys, and I'm going to type it and pin the comment too so you guys know what to do. Challenge Rosewood Kelly 3-0 unrated to play me. Okay, give me a second, guys. Control C. I got that. Oh, let's go to social and let's get a little more social, guys. Stop blocking challenges. Okay, challenges are now allowed. And let me send that. Let me... oh, they're coming in. They're coming in, guys. I got to pin these comments, so it takes 1 second, guys. Pin. 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 And put it up here. Put it up here too. There we go. And pin that sucker. Okay, good. Now we're set up to play 3 a minute unrated. Are they doing it right? Troll's back. Troll, how you doing, brother? Troll knows how to do it, guys. Dude, he's rated 700, but he's a grandmaster unrated challenger. He knows how to challenge me, guys. That's... yeah, this is not a bad way to answer the Latvian Gambit, guys. It's not bad because you don't fall for all the traps. What does it do? It lets me just have an easy game. Yeah. Right? That's a maneuver. Is this a good bishop or a bad bishop, guys? Do I care if I lose it? I mean, I don't want to, but I'm developing my pieces. If he pinned me and took and played knight d5, I would just let him have the bishop. I don't care. Just keep developing. Oh, he double moves. He's listening. Troll, you will never get information in a 3-minute game from watching. Okay? You will never. It's just too slow. It's too slow. With the delay, yeah. Don't listen to what I'm doing and then act on it. It's called cheating. And like I said, you'll just lose on time. Queenside Castle equals violence. I love it. Yellow Dart. It does, man. Moves that accomplish things and improve the position. Moves that my subscribers, that's you, makes GM Ben Feingold. Probably. Okay. Okay, he moved the bishop twice. Now he moved the knight twice. We are going to simply make stuff happen. I've been in almost this exact position before, and you won't believe on knight b5, the Stockfish said to play bishop d8. I'm just dead serious. I'm dead serious, folks. Okay, is Troll trolling, guys? I think Troll's trolling. Is he trolling? He might be trolling. Yeah, I've been here for 20 minutes. Asked, how's it going? Greek, how you doing, man? Yeah. Okay, he captures. I can't play this move. We gotta take it. He's using his brain! This is scary, guys. It freaks me out, Greek, when people use their brain and their mind. This was a way better square. This was a way better square. Dang it. Dude, yeah, he's trolling for sure. Is he trolling, guys? Is Troll trolling? 700? Maybe. Maybe. He's using his time. That's good. That's good. He's using his time. Okay. I guess takes. Guess takes. Attack king. Will he defend Ding? Guys, Ding's back. Ding is back, guys. He looks good. His breathing's good. Okay, we're just going to develop ping. Or do we say Ving? I think we say Ving, guys. We're saving. Don't give the bishop up for no reason, guys. Don't give the bishop up for no reason. Attack king. Defending. Defending. Just defending. There you go. Attacking. Hey! Drum ain't alorn. You love to see him, folks. Drum ain't alorn is here. If drum ain't alorn, what is drum? Good game. Dude, Troll, you play like a grand master. You play like a grand freaking master, man. Yeah. I reviewed this game a lot. There's plenty to learn from it. You reviewed this game a lot. There's plenty to learn from it. What are you talking about? Oh, the bird opening. Is that what you're talking about? You play the... do you play the bird? Some people say bird is the word. Guys, do we need coffee? We need to heat my coffee, guys. I'm going to take you guys with me. Don't... Everyone... And, dude, the coffee can't move, bro. Look. I'm going to show you. You know, one might ask, why do you have a coffee cam? It's because I get more viewers with the coffee cam. It's weird. It's like now the numbers are going to go back down. Everyone's leaving. I should just leave the coffee cam on, just like 24/7. I'd walk by sometimes. Herschel Layton, I got you, Herschel. Troll, if you would not challenge me, re-challenge me, I might do re-challenges later. Oh, this guy's 1400, guys. He's legit, and he plays. He's not playing in London, guys. Unpinning, guys. It's a King's Indian idea. I actually learned the idea from the King's Indian attack. You unpin the queen. You gotta keep the knight out, though. You gotta keep the knight out. Okay, I think I can do this. And then this. I gotta be careful, though. Knight takes. I'll be on the bishop with check. That's what saves it. Because there could be a tactic here. Actually, it would just lose a piece. He takes that way. You love to see it. Threatening checkmate? Oh, what? What? Oh, I can just take, though. But this might be better. No, it weakens the king. Dude, what a freaking shot this guy found. Bring a piece finally. What'd he do? What'd he do? He just made a simple move, guys. Do we do this? It seems so dumb. It might trap a bishop, though. Yeah, I think... No, it's okay, though, because after takes... I can take this way. No, he has bishop takes. This guy with the tactics, guys, he's too much. He's 1400, guys. He's been around. He's new. He's not new. Guys, I can't be doing text messages right now. Ooh, he counter attacks. I could take a pawn. He wants to take with the rook, but he can't take with the rook. But he wants to take with the rook, but he can. He just shouldn't. Right? Okay. And then yeah, that's a good move, dude. This guy with the good moves. Why you know, someday I'll be living in a big old city, but all you're ever going to be is mean. That's my favorite opening as white. You play the hippo when I'm black. What do you play here? He's going to play check and get a pawn, but I think... Oh, I could come here. Now I lose the pawn. He's on 2 pawns. I mean, this is really bad. This is really bad, guys. This is really bad. He trades queens because he's up, and he look what he did. Okay, we definitely saved the pawns. Going for a touchdown, guys. What happened? XNX Gaming, dude, good game. Herschel, you freaking destroyed me. You actually, dude, you played just a really good game. I resign. Yeah. Good game, dude. You played some very good moves. Good moves. Can you send me GM Hiku? No, I can't send you. There's a pinned comment. Challenge Rosa Witelli, 3-minute unrated to play me. That's how you play me. Troll, I've already played you. I'm going to start declining. Electro Falco is in for 3 minutes, folks. And I saw you, GM. Give me a minute, and I will get to you. Okay? Aristotle Means, thanks for the game. That was you. Dude, Herschel. Great game, dude. Absolutely amazing. You played very well. Yep. Good game. I'm maneuvering, guys. I'm making maneuvers. Otherwise referred to as a manunu. Okay. Go back to the pregame lobby where you belong. Okay. We have manunus. He's using his brain, guys. This is scary. Please play with me. My name is Mohammed. I play everybody. Mohammed, I will play you when the game is over or it's close to being over. You send me a 3-minute unrated challenge. There is no queue. You can ask me. People send me messages. Please pick me, pick me. I'm not picking anybody. I'm looking at challenges, and that's a great move. And I'm clicking on people that I haven't played yet. And we do this every Thursday. So you probably are going to get to play me today, but if you don't, 1 minute on 1 minute chess on Mondays, 3 minute on Thursdays. I just got back. Your PC crashed. Oh, that's okay, brother. You're here. That's a real move. Just castles. Just make Castellos, guys. Castellos in the Sand. It's a song I wrote. It's very famous. But Prash, there's no queue. I just said that. There is no queue. There is no queue. It's not going to be fair. But I'm only trying to pick people I haven't played yet. Troll keeps, his name is Troll, right? He keeps challenging me. I already played him, so I'm not taking his name. I take a new guy. Here's the thing, Prash and Mohammed, you guys got to understand. If I made a queue, you wouldn't be watching right now. The reason? You say, what do you mean I wouldn't be watching? Because I wouldn't be playing chess. I'd be waiting for some guy who went away from his keyboard to help his wife bring the groceries in. But he's next. And then the whole community has to wait for the guy. Do you understand what I'm saying? The way you keep this show moving is by not having a queue. And I just take another game. Take another game. I get to play way more people. Yeah. And no one gets to go twice. And hopefully... Whoa, he moved? I'm over here. I think this must be the move. Oh, a Grandmaster! Whoa. Do we want to send his pawn to his knight to the pregame lobby where it in fact belongs? This is a great, great fun move. And I'm playing it. I'm playing it because I'm crazy, guys. Yeah, so that's why. Can I play with you? I'm 1500 rapid on the same level. XNX, of course you can, but like I said, I already explained. It's in the pinned comment. Okay, do we attack the Amigos Queen? I think we attack the Amigos Queen, folks. Doesn't work. You could try it, but it doesn't work because after Queen takes Bishop, Queen takes Rook. Okay. Now, and then. I could play takes, Queen takes, and Knight, and then I could try and break him open. I could maybe, and then this maneuver. And he really doesn't want to play pawn takes. Final answer. Okay, so he gives me his queen. Because this is check. And he has one move. Queen takes, pawn takes, and we have won a reasonable amount of material, folks. Do we send the knight to the pregame lobby where it belongs? It could just come here. I want to bring stuff. Let's just bring stuff. There we go. The knight comes. Okay. Guys, he's working on the knight moves. You're not going anywhere, buddy. You're not going anywhere. I thought it was going to be mate. It wasn't even mate. Okay, see now. You will learn how to challenge me to get to... What the heck was that? I think I got mail, guys. The door's 3 feet away. Let me grab it. Okay, I'm playing someone I haven't played yet. Magnarod. Magnarod, we looked at your game. So if you just got here later, go back and watch the replay. And you can see the analysis of the game. I think I was I was a little hard on the guy who went first. Because he played 97. Unless that was you. I don't think it was though. Gaining spatula, guys. Mucho spatuloso, guys. It's Italian. Don't try and say it. Don't try and say it, guys. It's not going to work for you. What do you do here in such positiones, guys? I want to bring my pieces out, but this square is here. This square is definitely here. Forgot it was 3-minute game. Oh, did you? Yeah, I gel out like that, Electro Falcons. Sometimes I gel out myself, and I forget. The idea from the London guys. Defending our great world champion. Plays B4. It doesn't work here. Okay, so we just come back then? We come back, and the reason why is to stop the fork, because if he takes, I'm taking with the knight, and that's a cool square for my knight. So it's worth it to waste the move back. I might sack a pawn stir. Plays F3. Yes, then how do I get my bishop out? This is a square. That knight is quite annoying, folks. He's a great annoyer. Pieces that annoy you. The knight. This knight. Yeah. So you won't ever pick me. Ferris. Love you, brother. Love you, brother. I am not actively not picking you. Okay. Then get rid of the monster, guys. Make the monster go away. Take it off of my shoulder. Dude, I just sang Make the Word Go Away in show tune, boys. That was crazy. That's never been done before. I'll have you know. For sing. He made me go there. Now he makes me take this. And I think he's going to make me do this too. Oh, he's attack king. Wow. How do you see that move, guys? How did he see it? Do we push? No, he takes with check. So I think I have to move it. I really didn't want to. I'm coming back here. No reason. Oh, yes, bishop c6, I didn't see it. Or bishop c3, I didn't see it, guys. Okay. Look. King. 2 words. Oh, he had a check, I didn't see it. I actually didn't see that. He actually saved himself, guys. He saved himself. Thank goodness he's using his time. Magnarod, you're playing well. What does one does not simply... What do you do in such positiones, guys? Improving. 2 words. Spell it however you want to. Takes. Do we take with the pawn connecting our lives? No, we definitely come back here. Defending the pawn. I can also go forward another square, guys. Another. I didn't see that move. It doesn't even work. He had a better move. Making balloons, guys. 99 Luftballons. Got him on time. He got me on time. I thought I beat you on time. That's why he lost the rook at the end, guys, because he wasn't loot, because he knew he was winning on time. I got you, GM. You're up next. Daniel Ebb said just got home. It's so freaking hot outside. Is it? All right, GM, you're up. Is this Mohammed? Oh, 25-66. There's no way. He plays D3. You're playing a King's Indian attack? No, he's playing his... He's playing C4 without playing C4. Tell me you're going to play in English without playing English. He's going to play G3, guys. Is he really 2,500? I guarantee us a 2,500 plays G3. God, I dropped a piece already. I dropped... Dude, this guy's crushing me. He's 2,500 chess.com rating points. I mean, he's 2,500. Like, I'm going to resign because I'm too busted. I mean, my goodness. That was a respect resign. I will rematch. Yeah, I'm going to rematch him if he wants to, if he will. I'll try and not to lose a piece on move 4. I'd love to play him a good game. Troll, I've already played you, brother. We're not doing repeats yet. All right, guys. Guys, we're going to try not to lose now on move 4. What country are you from, GM? Switzerland. Nice. E4, E6, we play this. Guys, I didn't lose any opening. I didn't lose any opening. Attack king. Didn't even care. He didn't even care. Uh-oh. Drop rooping. I never bring a rook here. I just did because it's like looking at his king. I thought it was a good move. He just like attacks everything I do, guys. Okay. Okay. Attack a square. Right. Now, do we just rip it, guys? Because his king's in the middle of the world? This is going to be a problem. Okay. Okay. And then... This is so bad. My position is so bad. He's going to play bishop. Or he brings a knight. Okay. Is it trapping? Is he literally trapping? Is my rook gone? Is it gone? It's gone, guys. My rook is gone. Say goodbye to my rook. He'll play the knight now and bring the... Oh, my God. We have to freaking do something. Something drastic. His king's in the middle of the board. For goodness sake. But he knows. He knows that he's okay. And I just literally dropped a piece. I'll resign again. GM Hikua, great game. Great game. Thank you for the game. Send me the challenges, guys. Grab my water. It is literally insane. Oh, yeah, Hima, no. Creeper, 3 minute. It's not unrated, Creeper. I want to play you, Creeper. Oslo, I'll get you next. I remember your name. It's not Oslo, though. It's, Osler. Osler, I'm looking for you next, brother. 1,025 from the great country of India, folks. The great chess country. I'm playing freaking Anand over here, guys. This is Gukesh. No, this is Prague. No, you have to do this first. Good games. Yeah, dude. Faris, you're a very strong chess player, man. Very strong like bull. Guys, he's strong like a bull. The last time I played a 2,500 player, he beat me. And then he got banned because he was a cheater. Just bring the pieces, guys. You don't mind a little pawn action. What did Yasser teach us, guys? It is your job in the opening to take your fair share of the center. Develop your pieces in castle. Guess what? Do I have my fair share of the center? I have an unfair share of El Centro. I'll have you know. I'll have you know. If he wants to keep the pawn, at what cost? He doesn't want to keep the pawn. Knight or bishop? I think knight. I think bishop. I considered playing bishop d6, and I guarantee it was a stockfish move. I mean, because now I want to play bishop d6. You know what I'm saying? That's why I probably should have played bishop d6. We're going to let him capture. I think we're going to attack his bishop. White's position is not bad, and he's ahead on the clock, and he's rated 1,052. Dude, you played good. I told you it was Prag. This is Prag. He's on a speed run, guys. This is Pragnananda. Whoa. Uh-oh. Dude, my tactics are just not working today. This is pretty bad. Captures. I could save the knight like this, right? I could do this. I think, yeah, it's just rook takes knight wins, right? I'm busted, guys. I'm busted. He saw it. He saw it, guys. That saves a knight. I'm not down a piece. I'm not down a piece. I thought it was down a piece, guys. Well, I know I was down a piece, but I think somehow by muddying the waters, and he even took, okay, and then, attack king. Yeah, this guy with the Grandmaster moves over here, guys. How do you even see that move? He's like a Grandmaster all over again, guys. And he got me on time. Great game. I'll tell you, Magnarod and MJ, you guys both are rated around 1,000, and you both beat me on time. It's intelligence, guys. First off, though, you both played great games, but on top of that, you guys got the cheat code. You guys found the cheat code. You're not Prag. Okay, Osler is in, folks. He's been holding down the Twitch chat for me. Got you, brother. Play well, my friend. 1,700. We are giving this guy the treatment. The treatment. Dude, that is amazing. 57? Yeah. Come back. Right. Not if I would play takes. He comes back. Dude, this guy knows his Nadorf, guys. We could be in trouble. You say, don't castle into it. I say, I'm castling into it. We get b5. Now, do I play this knight? I think we go here and... Do we pick the knight now? I think we do. Okay, okay. And we come here. Yeah, absolutely. Then we bring stuff. We bring stuff, guys. Dude, he likes the square so much! They're dark squares, guys. They're dark squares. I didn't realize I could play this move. I didn't see my bishop. I didn't see my bishop, guys. Dude, the text messages are going off the chart, bro. Last chance to register for the St. Louis Scholastic Tournament. Guys, I'm not in school. I'm not worthy. Yeah, okay, he's using his brain. But is he using his mind? Okay. Do I do something dumb? Brings the bishop. I don't think we improve his queen. I think guys, you think I don't see the knight? I see the knight. Right, guys? Yeah, now, can I take this way? Can I go this way? Oh, knight takes. It doesn't work yet. Do we bring another piece? Well, I can't. I could bring it this way, I guess. I think this must be the maneuver. Sometimes you got to open them up, folks. We're making him use his brain and his mind. You know what he's doing now? He's looking at the clock saying, I'm just going to flag him. And you should. Because if I achieved a good position, okay, takes, and then I think queen here, right? I got takes check. Now he has to put a rook in the way. I got him, guys. I gotta watch it back rank though. Got him on a clock. Woo! That was an attack, guys. But he could have very easily stopped it. He had to play bishop takes bishop. Let me just look and see, like here. Once I did this, I was threatening stuff. Let's look at analyses. Bishop. Oh, wait. We got to go back a move. Let's go back a move. Yeah, bishop e6 is by far the best move. Because when you allow this, b3 was the best move. Rook b3. Oh, rook b3 check is not. It's -9. Oh, because we get in. Duh. Why didn't I see that, bro? It's not even this. The only minus move. What's wrong with this move? Oh, because I get his queen, he gets my queen. Queen a2 check. King c3. Oh, and I win the queen. Wow. Creeper. Learned the unrated ways, folks. Good job, Creeper. You're no longer a creeper. I have... Creeper's 1435, guys. There's no way. He's a strong chess player. I don't understand the time and how it's determined. White won on time. We each have a clock. His clock is white right now. When his clock is white, it's ticking. When my clock is ticking, it's ticking. See, my time's running down. My time goes down until I make a move. Now his time starts. And his time is going down. That way, we are... we each have the same amount of time. Do we just go for the spatula, guys? This is called spatula. If he takes, I take hitting his knight, and more importantly, gaining space on the queen side. Okay. Okay, I think then, and then, did I have knight e4 before? I might have. Develop ping. Welcome, bud. Hey, one more Twitch user. Welcome back, dude. Oh, yeah, man. Thanks for coming back, dude. Twitch, dude, I'm telling you, Twitch is insane. Twitch is insane, guys. I mean... blowing up is a big word, okay? But I will tell you this. We are doing fine on Twitch. Twitch is growing, guys. It's insane. It's insane. You just played Hyperbullet. 3 minutes took a lot of Hyperbullet. Okay, then we take. Yeah, and then we defending our great world champion. I don't think we push because it gives him a4. Yeah, yeah. Do we take? I think we take, guys. I think it's the maneuver. Okay, and then I think we take on the queen. There are no checks, but there could be. Looking at the bishop. He can not stay on it. He can do that, though. Right. Go back to the pregame lobby. Back to the pregame lobby where you belong. Ooh, he plays there. But there's no check. There's no check. Finally. Finally, I see a tactic. You guys have been crushing me. Oh, man. You guys have been crushing me with the tactiques, guys. Okay. Okay. Attack king. Check king. Bring ging. 3 words. Spell it how you want to. Improving. Check king. Dude. Good game. That was a real game of chess. Hey, this is the guy that won a tournament yesterday. Hey, I'm gonna play him. Dude, grats on the win, dude. Ida. Grats on the win. It's a lot of work winning the tournament, huh? Are you in chat, Ida? Ida gets a Sicilian. Ida doesn't get a Latvian gamut, guys. He's 2,200. He won the tournament yesterday. I don't even know the move here. That's almost guaranteed not the move. Yeah. A6 first. Then I could play knight with tempo, and A6 is a useful move. Plays check. Interesting maneuver. Develop ping. Right. There's almost a weird thing here, but it doesn't work because this pawn is here. So I'm just gonna develop. I was thinking he could do something weird, like if queen takes, bishop c6, and then bishop pinning my bishop. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's not a thing, guys. It's not a thing. It's not a ding. Oh yeah, Pablo, what's up, dude? How's it going today? It's going great, man. It's going great. I guarantee this is the move, but I feel like it takes so much time. But I'm gonna do it anyway. Because he's not fully developed yet. Because I think it's where the bishop goes. I really do. I mean, I could have played e6, bishop e7. I think this is clearly, yeah, he wants to take my bishop. There's a threat. Is there a threat? Queen check b5. No, queen check. Queen e7. And then he has a knight move, but where does it go? I don't see it. This could be 2,200 tactics, guys. Queen check. I can't play b5, but I could play knight bd7, and then like he checkmates me or something. He's looking at stuff, guys. Takes. Okay. Oh, that square. Am I losing? It's just a bunch of pawns, guys. Stop worrying about it. Does he trap my queen? No, it's nothing there. There's nothing there. Yeah, there's nothing there. Now, he might still come in, though. And then maybe I can't castle. Wow, no, no, no. He comes in, he throws my queen in his mate. No! I don't even have a check. F5? He just comes in. D5. This guy's a good player, man. Takes. Queen. When he moves the knight, my rook is unprotected. Oh my god! Do we do the double rook sack, guys? Well, he's threatening check. It's not mate. The problem is all this stuff. Okay, and then I have no time. Good game, dude. I resign. Dude, good game, and congratulations on winning the tournament yesterday, man. Oh, guys, I have friend requests. Mohammed, 01 Mohammed 1. We are now friends. Hima, we are now friends on chess.com, and GM Hikua. 2500. We are now friends on chess.com. That means we take care of each other. We help each other get better at chess. All right? I haven't played Oi yet, and I haven't played 01 Muhammad yet. I'm going to play 01 Muhammad first. 01 Muhammad, welcome to my stream, brother. You're from Egypt. You're from Egypt, man. That's... Oh, Muhammad, get your board! You're gonna lose on time. No, it's gonna abort, Mohammed. That's why we don't make a queue, though. Because if we made a queue and Mohammed was next, I'd be waiting for him and he's not even there. He's already shut his phone off. You know what I'm saying? Oh, he sends it. Oh, I tried to get you, but Hima jumped in front of you. I'll try and get you, Mohammed, okay? Hima, can we play more? I am trying to get everyone, let everyone have a turn to play. If everyone gets a turn and I have no more challenges from new people, then I will start doubling up. Oh, it's a 5-minute game, dude. I'm sorry. Hema, 3 minute. 3 minute. 3 minute. I just got a, yeah, so someone can shoot me another challenge. I aborted the game, guys. I'm not playing 5 minutes. It's not fair. Because everybody wants to play, and it takes too long. Looking at a picture of a bunch of people recording in a recording studio, guys. Very professional. Mohammed, 3 minute unrated. Mohammed from Egypt. I just did the Egypt thing, right? Plays E4. I play E5, guys. Knight of 3, we play F5. But thanks anyway. You literally played my worst game ever. Just a Beethoven fan. The night comes. We play here. He wants to come so bad, guys. but that's why I play C5 before D5. The knight leaves, then we play D5. This is all memorized, guys. It's been memorized. Dude, if you're watching on Facebook, hit the like and the follow button. You definitely want to hit the follow button. The night comes, but it doesn't do anything. I think we make the night go away. Wow. Oh, I forgot he's rated 300, guys. He's rated 300. Everyone be nice. He's dropping pieces left and right, guys. It's okay because it's okay. Now, knight takes, he has queen check. So I think I can't do that. We go here. I think we just develop. Let me see. Knight takes, queen check, bing, bing. all that stuff, all that malarkey. No, just develop. Just develop your pieces, folks. D and C. D and C. Develop a castle. Good mug. Dude, I don't need Google. My mother knows everything. I don't need Google. My girlfriend knows everything. I don't really have that problem. My mom doesn't know everything. And my girlfriend, she is not a Miss Know-It-All. She's not. Okay. Develop ping. Capture ring. Yeah, that's a move. Okay. Attack king, guys. That's a good move. Do we then play a maneuver? I think we got a castle, guys. I think we got a castle. Okay. You're a creeper. Okay. Oh, you're a creeper. Good game, man. Good game. He's attacking. Mohammed, you need a workshop. We do monthly chess workshops here at Charly Sardo Gaming. You can be a subscriber on Twitch, a supporter on YouTube, or a member on YouTube or a supporter on Facebook. And you get stickers for chat, behind the scenes footage, chess monthly workshops, and more. And yeah, because dude, you like to play chess. And you could learn so much so fast and double your rating pretty quick. You're still gonna need some of those tactiques. But guys, the pawn, this pawn is a queen, guys. You don't believe it yet. Attacking. Interesting. I could probably mate him here somehow. Yeah. Mohammed, it gets better, brother. You're doing fine. You're at the beginning of your chess career. And you're fighting like a lion with all the tools you have available to you, which is good. And you're using your time, which is way better to lose on time and try than just not thinking. You know what I'm saying? You're doing great, brother. Yeah. Good game, dude. Thank you, Mohammed. I got more friend requests. Creeper and W204 and New Soul. We are now friends on chess.com. That means we take care of each other. We help each other get better at chess. All right? Oi is in. Oi is in, guys. 11:27. Oi 321. Blast off. You give me the countdown. I give you the blast off. It's a Bishop's Opening proper. They call it Modern Bishop's Opening 2 nights. I think we do this because we can. Okay. Okay. This was a good move in the past, but no. Just make it Costello, guys. This is not a move I would normally make. Yeah. Wow. Just wow. He has a dorky. It's what we like to call a forky dorky. He doesn't like it, though. He doesn't like the dorky, guys. I don't like any of the moves, guys. Bring ding. He's playing really good, guys. I think he's playing better than me right now. I really think he's playing better than me. Okay. Now he's not. God, I feel like I got lucky right there, guys. Not queen, a criminal. Learn that here. Taper Mike. You mean the pawn? A passed pawn is a criminal that must be kept under lock and key. New soul is me. Cool Shaka. Very cool Shaka Laka. Do we just rip it, guys? No. We save the Amigos Pawnster, and we come here so we can move our knight. Good move. Oh, my pawn. You're creep. Okay, got that. Learn that here. Okay, just got home. Freaking hot outside. Guys, if you're watching on Facebook, man, hit the freaking like button, man. He's listening, guys. He's listening. That's cheating, Oi. You can't do that. I trapped you. We got one, folks. Oh. Did you guys see that? I said, "Oh no, my pawn," and he took it, and I won a free piece out of the deal. Okay. And then it cost some time to listen too, guys. Okay. And Nen or and Nen. I think and Nen is a good move, guys. And then okay. And then I didn't see it, guys. I didn't see it. I have no check, so I just dropped the best piece on the board. Huh? Why? Why do I drop the best piece on the board? Why? Why do I do this to myself? And I lost on time. Good game, dude. Oi, good game. Good game. Don't listen to me, man. I will trick you and trap you. Haven't played JT SLVR yet. E4, we will play. Oh, he's 1800, guys. I'm gonna see what his openings are like. We're gonna check him out, guys. Okay. Is this like some recommended thing? Is this some recommended thing, guys? Who keeps doing this? Why do they keep playing these moves, guys? Your problem is time management. Dude, you know what? I think you might be onto something. I really wanted to attack his queen with my bishop, but I think that might have been the best move. It's like, now you can't attack the queen with the bishop. Yeah. And we come here for free. Okay, attacking. Should I attack then? Oh! I didn't see he was going to get that. That kind of changes everything. Right. Yeah, it's a useful move, so you might as well do it. Good move, I must say. I don't know if that was a good move. Yeah, it probably wasn't. It was a bad move, guys. Wow. Okay, and then... Ugh. Oh, that loses the knight. Wow. I almost dropped the knight, guys. I almost dropped the knight. Wow, so the knight's in trouble. The knight's in trouble because of the pin. Wow. I don't think I can save the knight, guys. I don't think I can save the knight. I come back, the bishop pins, king up, I guess. And, but then he gets a check. Oh, then I can do this. Yeah, I saw a... Well, I didn't see a ghost. I just thought this was was totally losing, and it might not be as losing as I thought. Yeah, weren't you 1600? Sage, I was 1700. This is right. This is a oh! I resign. Yeah, I lost on time anyway. Good game. JT, good game. Guys, I gotta go. I gotta go make dinner. And I got to get ready for my gaming stream tonight. Gaming stream tonight, I'm going to be playing Red Dead Redemption Part 2. It's a great game. We're a few hours into it. It's a great story, man. I'm really enjoying it. I can't wait to get back to it. So if you guys like what you see, please hit the follow button, the like button. Guys, we need likes. Likes are good. You like chess, right? You're here. Hit the like button. Freaking love you guys. Catch you guys later. Goodbye.